hit you have just happened, no. The jack turned sailing, no. Everything needed could turn and how could too. How to run just to be. It's I know heart you stole. Don't even I know if it I needed to turn and if the night is long. If whoever times you left us, and just like that you cut this gotta go. Don't even I know if it I needed to turn and if the night is long. If I hate good times you left us, and just like that you cut this gotta go. If it I needed could turn out if it died. On a dusty old road, under a wide open sky, I whispered a plea as the stars blinked by. God, keep her close, don't let her stray. In your hands our love forever may stay. At the break of dawn, when the roosters cry, I'll be standing right here with a tear in my eye, asking you, Lord, to shelter our hearts in this tender dance. Don't let us part. Oh, God above, hear this humble song. Keep her in my arms where she belongs. The stormy nights and the sunny days, got our hearts on love's winding ways. Day turns to night and shadows grow long. I'll keep on praying with a voice soft yet strong. God, keep her safe, let our love be true. In the silent moments, she'll know I love you. We walk through fields where the wildflowers bloom, under the moonlight in a sweetly sung tune. Hand in hand, we faced each trial with a whispered prayer. We walked each mile. If the winds of doubt ever start to blow, I'll hold on tighter, won't ever let go. 'Cause I believe in this love we've grown. With a little help, Lord, we'll make it home. Oh, God above, hear this humble song. Keep her in my arms where she belongs. Through the stormy nights and the sunny days, love's winding way. On love's winding way. Wheels on the blacktop rolling, sunset fades in the night. Every mile got me wondering if this road gonna lead me right. Stars above can't guide me, heartache lights my way. Love left behind still haunts me on this never-ending highway. Endless highways of broken dreams, heartfelt goodbyes tearing the seams. We're all just travelers lost in time. Endless highways chasing the rhyme. Echoes of your laughter in the wind, they still remain. Though this journey is forever, memories ease the pain. Morning light won't heal me, nor the moonlight's gentle sigh. Every bend's a reminder of a love that said goodbye. Endless highways of broken dreams, heartfelt goodbyes tearing the seams. We're all just travelers lost in time. Endless highways chasing the rhyme. Endless highways of broken dreams, heartfelt goodbyes tearing the seams. We're all just travelers lost in time. Endless highways chasing the rhyme.
I could hear your laughter like a sweet serenade as you twirled in the twilight, all my worries fade. You wore that faded denim, boots scuffed and worn. We danced to the crickets, the night softly born. With every step closer, the world felt so alive. Just a cowboy and his girl on the edge of the drive. Oh, dancing on a dirty road where the heart finds its beat, with the stars up above us and the smell of sweet wheat. I promised you forever with each sway and each turn. In the rhythm of our love, together we'll burn. We chased down that sunset with the wind in our hair. Every mile was a promise, every glance a sweet air. The taste of wild flowers, the thrill of the ride. In that moment, my darling, you were right by my side. Through the fields and the valleys, we built our own dreams, with laughter as the compass and love bursting at the seams. I remember your smile, glowing like the moon in a world full of chaos. With you, I was immune. Oh, dancing on a dirty road where the heart finds its beat, with the stars up above us and the smell of sweet wheat. I promised you forever with each sway and each turn. In the rhythm of our love, together we'll burn. Through the fields and the valleys, we built our own dreams, with laughter as the compass and love bursting at the seams. I remember your smile, glowing like the moon in a world full of chaos. With you, I was immune. Oh, dancing above us and the smell of sweet wheat. I promised you forever with each sway and each turn. In the rhythm of our love, together we'll burn. Now every sunset echoes those nights in the dust, with the promise of tomorrow and a love built on trust. Here we stand together as the years flow like wine. In this dance of commitment, you forever are mine. Oh, dancing on a dirty road where the heart finds its feet, with the stars up above us and the smell of sweet wheat. I promised you forever with each sway and each turn. In the rhythm of our love, together we'll burn. So let's keep on dancing through the night and the years, with the whispers of the wind and the songs of our cheers. In every twist and turn, you'll find my heart's abode, forever and always on that dirt road we strode. Oh, 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 oh.
Walking down the whiskey roads, dusty dreams a heavy load. Night will fall where the sunlight fades, hearts are wandering aimless strays. Old guitar and a lonesome tune, stars will light the prairie moon. Feet are tired but the spirit's high, whiskey roads we drank the sky. Dusty dreams and open plains, aching hearts with no restraint, finding hope in a sip so deep. On whiskey roads we sow and reap, rustic barns and silent fields, broken dreams that time conceals. Yet we march on through the haze, in our hearts a fire blaze. Dusty dreams and open plains, aching hearts with no restraint, finding hope in a sip so deep. On whiskey roads we sow and reap, ruddy boots and miles to go. Every shadow tells us so, through the pain and through the cheer. Dusty dreams bring us near. Dusty dreams and open plains, aching hearts with no restraints, finding hope in a sip so deep. On whiskey roads we sow and reap, muddy boots and miles to go. Every shadow tells us so, through the pain and through the cheer. Dusty dreams bring us near. Back in our small town where the sun sinks low, I remember Friday nights, the lights all aglow. You in your sundress, golden hair in the breeze, your sweet southern smile bringing me to my knees. Oh, those golden moments under the sky so wide, dancing in the moonlight with you by my side. Every memory lingers like the set of sweet pine. In a world full of chaos, you'll always be mine. Sitting on the porch as the crickets start to sing, the fading light wraps us in that sweet golden ring. We stole a few glances as the stars came out bright, just two small town lovers lost in the night. Oh, those golden moments under the sky so wide, dancing in the moonlight with you by my side. Every memory lingers like the set of sweet pine. In a world full of chaos, you'll always be mine. Sneak off to the fields where the wildflowers grow, spinning round and round, letting the good times flow. Your laughter like music, so pure and so free. In that sweet southern summer, it was just you and me. Oh, those golden moments under the sky so wide, dancing in the moonlight with you by my side. Every memory lingers like the set of sweet pine. In a world full of chaos, you'll always be mine. Now the years have drifted, but the feeling stays true. And every sunset's glow, I'll still find you with your golden hair blowing and that sweet southern smile. My heart still remembers every old country mile. Oh, those golden moments under the sky so wide, dancing in the moonlight with you by my side. Every memory lingers like the set of sweet pine. In a world full of chaos, you'll always be mine. So let's sit on the porch as the night starts to fall, with the stars as our blanket and look through it all. In this small town forever where our hearts intertwine, I hold on to those golden moments, 'cause baby you're mine. In the heart of Texas, where the wildflowers bloom, there's a small town dreaming underneath the moon. It's a lonesome prairie where the cowboys roam, and I strum my guitar, making this place my home. There's a gentle breeze whispering through the pines as the river flows with memories intertwined. I sing a lullaby to the lone star-filled sky. This small town's lullaby will never say goodbye. On the front porch swing, strumming my guitar, singing stories of love and tales of hearts afar. A weary traveler finds solace in my song as I paint a picture of a place where they belong. On a dusty road I'm driving through, with a heart that's missing you. Long nights with the moon as my guide, around every bend your memory never hides. Through the miles I keep holding on, every turn brings me closer to home. With your love shining like a distant star, I'm bound to find where you are. Valleys and rivers, I cross them all. Through storms and rain, I'll never fall. I hear your voice in the whispering wind. Soon we'll be together where our love begins. Through the miles I keep holding on, every turn brings me closer to home. With your love shining like a distant star, I'm bound to find where you are. Though the distance keeps us apart for now, I know you're there with love somehow. It won't be long till I reach your side, in your arms where my heart will reside. Oh, through the miles I keep holding on, and on. Every turn brings me closer to home, closer to home. With your love shining like a distant star, I'm bound to find where you are. I'm bound to find where you are. Where you are. Though the distance keeps us apart for now, I know you're there with love somehow. It won't be long till I reach your side, in your arms where my heart will reside. Oh, through the miles I keep holding on, every turn brings me closer to home. Every turn brings me closer to home. We're closer to home. With your love shining like a distant star, I'm bound to find where you are. I'm bound to find where you are. Where you are. You are. Where you are.
I remember that summer, golden and bright, you by my side in the Tennessee twilight. Your laugh like a melody, pure and true. Ever since then, darling, I've only wanted you.
Beneath the old willow, where we carved our names, you held my hand, and nothing felt the same. Promise forever, just me and you. Through every storm, our love would pull us through. Forever us, in moonlight or rain, the sunset, I see your face. You turned our small town into our grand stage. With every passing hour, we pen another page.
Our kids are growing, reflections of us. In their eyes, I see the promise and the trust. They remind me each day of the love we've grown. Roots deep and strong, they've made our house a home. Forever us, in moonlight or rain, in fields of wildflowers, through joy